Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks box break number 319, and today we are wrapping up that master case of clear cut with boxes number 28, 29, and 30, finishing off as we started with a 3-box clear cut 1920 break. Hopefully we have a monster in one of the last 3 boxes. It's been a rather mediocre case, I'm going to say. Not terrible, but definitely not great. 3 boxes to finish us off. We've got box number 560, box number 835, and 834. 834, maybe that'll have Aunt Matthews in it. That would be a great way to end. But there we are, 3 boxes, 1920 clear cut. Today, let's see how that master case finishes off. Box number 28 from the master is box number 560. First clear cut today gives us, oh, very nice. Let's go. That is a great start to today's break. We've got a gold embedded endorsements 16 of 25 Breadman Artemi Panarin. That is a nice looking card there. The only thing, I think it's just the way that the light is hitting his visor. I don't know if you can see that on video, but it almost looks like a white spot right on his eye. Well, I guess if I don't cover it up with my finger. I don't know if that's a mark on the card or whether that's, like I said, glare from the lights in the photo. I'm going to have to check out to see if I can find another one of these cards on eBay and see if it's got the same thing, kind of glare on his eye. 16 of 25 Breadman Artemi Panarin embedded endorsements. That is a good start for the final 3 boxes. Let's go second box. Bet you I can't do that again. Second box, we've got box number 835. This is box number 29 from the master case. Knife does not want to get in there. All right, second box here today gives us a base auto. Brent Burns. I feel like we've seen this one in the master case before. Could be wrong on that one. Brent Burns base auto. Certainly not as exciting as the first box here today, so let's hope we can finish it off here with an absolute monster in box number 30 at the master. Could we save the best for last? We've got box number 834. Let's see a monster. Final box in our clear cut master case gives us not a monster. Base auto Tyler Pertuzzi. Tyler Bertuzzi base auto. Man, this case has to have the most base autos I have seen in a clear-cut case. That case was really on the bad to mediocre part of the scale. Couple really nice hits, but man, that was a lot of base autos. There had to have been 19 or 20 base autos in that case, but that's going to do it. I will do a recap of all 30 hits from the master case, or actually I might just do part 2. I did do a recap for the first 15, so I might just do a recap for the last 15, and then you can watch the 2 videos back to back if you want to see the entire case. But today, the end of the master, it started off pretty good, but definitely ended in a really disappointing way. But yeah, that's 3 boxes, final 3 boxes of the master case of Clear Cut. I might grab a loose box from time to time, but that's the conclusion of the master case. Folks, if you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, Matthews and McDavid's, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come.